I'm Jason Magner with the Montreal Gazette, and we're here today on board the REM, the Montreal region's newest public transit network.
I'm super excited because finally, after 40 years, we have an extension to our transit in Montreal. We're really leading in North America. This light rail is a smart project, makes a lot of sense, connects a lot of different municipalities across the Montreal region. So, yeah, very excited to see this project get open today.
We're excited. I was telling the kids that we're making history today to take like the opening of the metro back in the 60s. We feel like we're part of something in Montreal now, so it's good.
It's crazy that we're all going to be connected. It's like a bus, but even better. I mean, I take the bus quite often, so I'm excited to have an experience that takes me anywhere in the city, but also isn't crammed and hot.
Bienvenue à bord du REM. Direction A1. Brossard.
Yeah, mainly I want her to see, and experience it. And we live in Nuns Island, so that's gonna be mostly our routine, commuting means. So I want her to kind of experience it on first day.
I'm still wondering if the bus or maybe the train will be the best idea, the best transport for me to go downtown. But now I'm going with my family trying for the first time. It's like the first people that tried the metro, so I'm part of something big that will be here for a long time.
This is a new thing and we want to be part of it. Yeah, we want to experience the new REM and see how it works and see if it will fit for us to use it to go to work.
It's breathtaking. It's breathtaking. You get such a wonderful view. The ride is comfortable. I cannot believe that we've built this, and I'm so happy. It really puts Montreal on the map in terms of best transit systems in North America and across the world. It's hard to contain my excitement, to be honest.